Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making homemade chicken fajitas. For the full recipe, please kindly stick around until the end of the video. First, let's begin by chopping your onions and bell peppers into long slices. On medium-high heat, drizzle some olive oil into the pan. Once your pan is hot and ready, you can add in your bell peppers and your onions. Today I have red peppers, but you can add in green peppers or orange peppers or any other color pepper that you have in your fridge. Once your peppers and onions have been added to the pan, you can now add in salt and pepper to taste. Saute your peppers and onions for about a minute or two, and then close your lid. You need to close your lid in order to steam your peppers and onions. So as you can see here, I'm just closing the lid for 3 or 4 minutes to steam the vegetables. After the 3 or 4 minutes are up, open and saute your vegetables for about a minute or so, and then close it one more time so the steaming completes. Now as you can see, my peppers and onions are just about ready. It takes about 7 or 8 minutes to steam your vegetables to the perfect consistency. So it looks like my peppers and onions are ready. I'm going to be setting those aside whilst I prepare the rest of the dish. So now it's time to grill your chicken. I'm going to be grilling mine on high heat for about 8 to 12 minutes. Your chicken will depend on your thickness, but I have a thin piece of chicken, so it'll take about 8 minutes per side. So as you can see here, my chicken is all ready. I've sliced it up and I've set it aside. For the seasoning, you'll need a half to 1 teaspoon of taco spice mix. Next, I'll be making homemade fresh tortillas. For the video on how to make fresh tortillas, please see the link in the top right corner. Once you have your tortilla rolled out, it is now time to cook it on medium-high heat for 45 seconds to 1 minute. So it's approximately 30 seconds per side. So now that my tortilla is ready, I am just about to build my fajitas. Begin by adding sour cream to the bottom of your tortilla, then add Mexican rice, your grilled chicken, and your sauteed veggies on top. Now you can add your cheese, salsa, and guacamole, which is optional by the way. You can choose any topping that you would like to create your homemade fajita. So there we have it, family. This is my homemade version of the classic takeout dish, chicken fajitas. Here are the main ingredients you will need to create your very own chicken fajitas at home. Remember, these are only suggested toppings for your fajitas. You can place any toppings that you would like on your fajitas. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to join the family.